Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we have another hotel room tour for you. This is the Royal Hotel Shinokubo in Tokyo, Japan. And we'll go over all the room features as usual. The rooms here are quite large, at least in the rooms with two beds. Even in terms of hotel rooms in general, I would say you'd find this room quite big, and in comparison to other hotel rooms in Japan, it is quite spacious. Over near the two twin beds here is the room phone and a light control for the room and one outlet, your tissue box. Unfortunately, the windows here, they don't open and they are glazed over for privacy. There's really nothing much to see outside the windows anyway, so I don't mind, except that a lot of people may want to get some fresh air, especially if it's in the winter or maybe in other seasons as well. Right now it is the middle of December, so it would be nice to get some fresh air, but unfortunately that's not an option. Over by the windows here, there's another power outlet. And over in this corner is the luggage rack and trash can. Excuse my trash. Been here for about a week, so and they don't service the room every day. You either can request it or it's every third day of a long-term stay. Here you have your table and chairs, and you can see the room key is a regular metal key, and you have to return it every time you leave, and then you can get it back when you return. The desk area has your electric kettle with 2 cups and some instant tea there. As you can see, I didn't drink any of it. Chair and TV set. There's not that many channels. There's maybe 10 channels or so. And your mini fridge here. I have a 2-liter bottle of water inside, so you can fit large bottles. It has a tiny freezer section if you perhaps buy ice cream, and you can fit normal drink bottles in the door. It does have a heating and air conditioning with the control is this unit here, and they show you how to operate it with this little diagram here. The unit itself is in the ceiling. There's a small closet. You do get 2 robes, which I didn't use, but there they are. And then my jacket's just hanging up there. There's 3 spare hangers, as well as some hooks that you can also use. You have a full-length mirror inside the closet. Walking towards the door to the actual room, you have a hallway. They give you some slippers with a disposable cover there. I'm actually wearing a disposable pair I brought myself, but you're welcome to use the pair they have there with the insert. The bathroom is quite large. There's a separate toilet area, there's a separate sink area, and then there's the actual bathroom area. So here we have the sink. They give you hand wash, and then they also give you a number of disposable amenities. I opened 1 brush, and then they give you 2 toothbrushes. You get 2 hairbrushes total. You get 2 razors and some cotton buds and disposable cups. It looks like they gave me an extra toothbrush here. You get 2 hand towels and 2 full-size bath towels, as well as a hair dryer down there. You can get new towels if you wish from the front desk. Otherwise, they replace them when they service the room. In the toilet area, toilet paper dispenser, extra paper, small trash can, and then you do get a fancy toilet seat with various functions, as you can see here. For the bath area, the bathtub is very large and deep, as you can see. And then you do get shampoo and conditioner and body soap in the large dispensers there. And then the shower attachment is down there with the shower head up there with a small mirror. And that is about it for the Royal Hotel Shinokubo. You can see the room diagram here. Again, the hotel itself is quite large rooms. However, they are a bit dated. If you have any questions about this property or any other property I've toured before, please leave a comment below. And thank you very much for joining me.